I'm Chris Houston, I'm the Managing Director of Tadweld Limited. Tadweld are a fabrication engineering business. We're based in Tadcaster in North Yorkshire. We've been established since 1983. We engineer things that go into production environments, so stairways, crossovers, mezzanines, and platforms that machinery or people can operate on. I actually was fortunate enough to do a business degree at undergraduate level, and so a lot of the concepts and things that were discussed on the Help to Grow Management course were familiar to me. Applying those models to your own business and thinking, how can I make the most of these opportunities? How can I apply this into a smaller business setting was really useful for me. On the surface, the business had a fantastic reputation in the market, and we had a lot of repeat custom, which was a great place to start. But what I quickly recognised was that we weren't doing any external selling or external marketing, which meant that we weren't really capturing or actively pursuing any new customers. We were quite traditional in our approach to things like employee engagement and sort of working with and listening to staff. For those of us that have done business degrees, we're very familiar with things like Porter's 5 Forces or SWOT analysis, the common tools of business. There's a reason why those models have been around for 40, 50, 60, 70 years, is because actually they're really fundamentally solid models that applied in the right way can really help you look at your business differently. A lot's changed since the course. We've been really successful in growing the business. We've actually invested in more resources in the sales team, and that's helped us grow the business by over 70% in the last 2.5 years. To support that revenue growth, we've over doubled the workforce of the organisation. We just employed our 50th staff member. I think the future's really exciting for Tadweld. We really do want to be the best place to work, not just in Tadcaster or in welding, but hopefully in North Yorkshire. It's really nice to watch people in the business grow, develop, learn new skills, do good work, go home and be happy and be satisfied that they're doing a really good job. And in turn, generally that means we do good business.